Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here at the 2018 Kapital Kidvention. This is amazing. We're just a stone's throw away from the nation's capital, and we're here in the beautiful Hilton. It is amazing here. This is what you see when you walk in the main entrance. Over here, you can check into your hotel, and if you just continue this way, which we're going to do in a second, you go to the conference area, and it's going to be amazing. Come on along. As you can see, when you arrive at the conference, there is a large check-in area. Very simple and easy to check in, and you'll be on your way enjoying the fun. And speaking of fun, they spare no expense. There he is, King Kong, on the top of the New York skyscraper, the Empire State Building. All right, hey, now that we're talking about fun, this is fun. This is the dealer's room. This is where you go to do anything you need to do here at Kapital Kidvention. Everyone is here. As you can see, there's tons of stuff. There's magicians, there's face painters, there's, balloon artists. There are people even designing stands to work out of. It is amazing.
All right, if you guys are ready, I am ready. So, my name is Louis Meyer. Welcome to Kapital Kidvention. So thank you everyone who came this year. So I appreciate everyone that's here. I know that you have probably gotten, thank you Jeff, you've gotten a ton of social media things from me. And so if you're wondering who is the person that does all of that social media and the emails and the Facebook stuff, that's me. So I'm the one behind all of that. So I know there's a small percentage of you that are mad at me because of deal day and all of the stuff that goes out then. But you guys are all here, so it's probably not you. So thank you guys for coming. So this convention is about children's entertainers, but not only that, it's really about the attendees. As those of you who have been here before know, I always try to make the convention change year per year based on what you tell me. So every year I send out a survey, and you'll get one on Monday. The survey goes out, you answer the survey, I take those answers, and then I actually change things. So I know that this is something that doesn't always happen, but your feedback actually changes this convention. If I get enough people telling me that they want to see this person, you'll see that person, they'll be here. If I get, the jam room is now bigger this year. So last year the jam room wasn't big enough and we were spilling out into the foyer. This year the jam room is bigger. So the things that you guys tell me is the things that I start changing. So that's why I say Kapital Kidvention is about you and what you want to see and what you want to experience. So hopefully you enjoy your time here this weekend. So first I want to ask.
Sorry, guy, circle?
I circled something.
Okay,
Four ends. I said 4 ends. He goes, here's one, here's two, here's three.
It's not a messenger bag, it's a man purse.
Uh-oh.
Is that 5 minutes?
Is that 5?
I don't know, I can't look.
One piece of rope, that's a little teeny tiny rope.
It's time.
You want to know, yeah?
So that will conclude our fun competition. Will you make a round of applause for all?
The fan that would, like a hair dryer and blow a balloon. Well, you can do the same thing with a dollar bill, but you just have to blow steady.
Then you take one of these globes, and it's a little tricky when you do it. You got to twist off just a little. You want to leave a little air in it.
Said, well, let me send you the invitation. So she sent us the invitation, and this is exactly what was on her invitation for her birthday party. So we were able to pull it off and created a stamp. And Mom said it was okay. We actually sell this now because it goes great with our superhero stuff.
So it's the worst thing in the world, right? Nobody wants a restaurant to go fast on the subway. The trick I do is
some waitresses and wait staff will think that you're taking money from them, which is not the case. It's opposite. Because you're creating fun at that table, you're creating an experience at that table, and the people will remember.
Around, so like she got burnt on this side of her face. Usually I would take that eyebrow out.
Now we're just going to make us some little teardrops and swirls. Go up here on top of the mask, kind of like that.
Mouth. So this is the upper lip. Here's the shadow under the lower lip. Cheekbone, cheekbone.
Oh, yeah, that long. So you're doing good. Well, all we gotta do is put the muscle on it.
And then finally one day I just said, all right, I'm just gonna like do the material. And it was like, turned out the material took me to the character. All the stuff I was writing took me to who I was. And once you figure out who you are on stage, it becomes pretty easy.
We talked about putting routines together, so taking tricks and putting them into routines. Today, we're going to talk about how to take those routines and put them together into a show. Because once you have a bunch of tricks, you don't have a show. It just means you have a bunch of tricks.
Well, as they say, all good things have to come to an end eventually. We have come to the end of Kapital Kidvention. But don't worry, they're going to always make more. So you can come back next year and see for yourself all the fun that we've seen in this fun little video we put together, all the things you can do. Again, this is the DIY Magician. Until next time.